Hi, I'm Neville Hounsom, the Deloitte Africa Consumer Industry Leader.
Deloitte, huh? Okay. So you're basically here to tell us how to stretch our coins further.
Actually, we had to understand how South Africans are dodging financial bullets.
Oh, interesting. By the way, are you paying for this or?
Who are you? Our Consumer Signals report shows that South Africans are feeling the financial squeeze.
Feeling it. Nev, do you see this onion here? This is basically my spirit vegetable. It's the only thing I can afford.
But there is a silver lining. South Africans are making a plan. They're hunting for bargains and prioritizing essentials.
Do you think an Evo is an essential? Sorry, bruh. Want to buy an onion? It's an essential.
Look, we know it's tough out there.
Yeah, but luckily South Africans are like chameleons. Adaptable, always blending in, always looking for the best deal faster than you can say the word discount.
Exactly. And that's why understanding consumer behavior is critical for companies.
But what's in it for the South African consumer, though? I mean, businesses pretty much have to roll out the red carpet of bargains. I mean, we're loyal, but we're always going to look for that extra panselanyana. That's bonus, by the way.
I hear you. And one of the coolest trends that we're seeing is the rise of the conscious consumer.
Nice.
So customers are not only just buying things, they're investing in brands that align to their values, like going green.
Oh, like the Evo.
No, like eco-friendly.
And now let's talk about the power of consumer loyalty. Our data shows that despite economic pressures, South Africans are incredibly loyal to the brands they trust.
Loyal. Wait, so what you're saying is that if brands were pop stars, they would have groupies?
Yes, and just like groupies, consumers expect quality, consistency, and a great experience.
Look, I don't mean to be a groupie right now. Just to clarify, you weren't part of Backstreet Boys, were you?
Why?
Which Goliath is this girl? I don't know.
No, you tell me why.
South Africa's diverse population offers a unique opportunity for brands. By understanding the quirks and preferences of different cultural groups, brands can tailor their offerings perfectly.
So download the full report to get the scoop on the South African consumer.
That was my line.
Sorry.
What was I going to say?